Philippines' very own Cherry Mobile is ready to take on Taiwanese and Chinese smartphone brands with its latest smartphone offering, the Cherry Mobile Flare S7 series. Cherry Mobile's launch of Flare 7 as of the creation of this video has not yet been announced yet, but there's already a huge buzz about it. We teased this smartphone before we head to Tokyo Game Show 2018 last September 19, and we received a lot of questions from our readers and viewers. Since we did not get a retail version of the device, the Flare S7 Plus inside the box was not put in orderly fashion. But if there's one thing that's really different, or rather new, with what's inside the box, is that it now has a Type-C dongle, as the smartphone does not have a 3.5mm headphone jack. Also, if you're pre-ordering one today, October 1, you will get a free wireless charging pad with dual USB port made by HomeTime. Why? Well, because Flare S7 Plus supports wireless charging, and that's another first by the local company, Cherry Mobile. On the overall construction of the smartphone, it is evident that this one has a notch. It forms part of the 6.2-inch FHD Plus TrueView 19:9 display, which stands on par with its mid-range counterparts. You can hide the notch on the fly by simply swiping down the upper left corner of the display, but this only works if you enabled it on settings. Now, what makes this capable of competing against Oppo's F9, Huawei's Nova 3i, and Vivo's V11i? Well, that's performance and camera. For starters, the new Flare S7 Plus rocks a Mediatek Helio P60 SoC with 2 GHz of Octa-Core processor. We're honestly a huge fan of this SoC, and there's also a reason why other brands like Oppo stick to it for 2 phone generations, the Oppo F7 and Oppo F9. Mediatek Helio P60 gives Flare S7 a competitive edge in the local smartphone arena and puts it at par with other mid-range brands. With such SoC, it gives the smartphone 3 hero features: power, good battery life, and AI. How about the camera? I can confidently say that Flare S7 Plus's set of cameras is the best from Cherry Mobile to date. Like other international brands, this smartphone features 16-megapixel and 5-megapixel rear, and also 16-megapixel plus IR front camera. While Cherry Mobile didn't give details about the IR front camera, I can confirm that it allowed us to take portrait shots, use its own version of Animoji called FlareMoji, and face unlock. Face unlock was fast and accurate, and the FlareMoji surprisingly works better than the Animoji of another brand that we won't say for now. What do you guys think of the new Flare S7 Plus? Cherry Mobile just announced the prices of the Cherry Mobile Flare S7 series on their Facebook product pages. And as of October 1, here are the prices of the 4 variants. Flare S7 has 5.5-inch HD plus TrueView 18:9 display. It is also LTE ready with 13-megapixel plus 2-megapixel quad cameras, capable of face unlock and also ID security, fingerprint scanner, and also has Type-C. It is of course powered by Android 8.1. On the other hand, Flare S7 Deluxe has a 5.85-inch HD plus TrueView notched 19:9 display. It is also LTE ready, 13-megapixel plus 2-megapixel quad cameras, capable as well of face unlock ID security. Fingerprint scanner also is available on the phone, and also powered by Android 8.1 with Type-C cable. So that's it for now, guys. This has been Gian of GadgetPilipinas.in. Hope you enjoyed our quick impressions and also quick unboxing of the Cherry Mobile Flare S7 Plus. If you haven't subscribed to our page, we would appreciate if you can do that. And if you haven't liked our Facebook page on Facebook, just go and click that like button. Again, this has been Gian, and see you soon in our next video.